Friends, today is 9th May 2021. India Power Talk completes one full year of its successful launch. First, at the outset, I would like to thank all the esteemed speakers, starting from Shailesh Haribhakti, Franz Kolb, Sunil Muridhar Shastri, Ron Gunel, Robert Adi, Naurup Sahadev, Andy Agathanalu, Phil Bolender, Joe Nesbitt, Professor Rama Velimuri, Emmanuel Sacerdot, Roy Navy, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, Prabhu Guptara, Laurie Souza, Rakhi Oria, Mihir Benison, Dr. Purnima Oria, Ken Berlin, Dr. Cesar Verona. I must thank all these esteemed speakers for their valuable time, insights, and patience with me. They really gave their wholehearted time to India Power Talk to make this such a huge success. I would also like to thank all my audience, not only who participated in these discussions, but also for all their valuable inputs, suggestions, and insights they have shared with me from time to time. I'm really glad to say that the entire first year, the focus of India Power Talk was on economy, environment, and education. And as suggested by some of you and some of my esteemed speakers and really the mentors, I would like to extend the platform of India Power Talk now for two purposes. One, for all those who are working on future technologies. And secondly, all those who are social entrepreneurs and both of whom are making so much of meaningful impact on our lives. So friends, in this coming year now, not only we would continue our India Power Talks on economy, environment, and education, but we also like to extend the platform for leaders, innovative leaders who are working on future technologies and compassionate social entrepreneurs who are creating impact on our lives. Before I end, I would like to once again thank my speakers and all the audience. And here I would like to present very basic but very interesting insights from all the 19 international speakers who appeared last year. Thank you very much, friends, once again, and I look forward for an interesting year ahead. Thank you.
Why can we not have a freezing of all our tax laws for 5 years?
I have been working on foreign collaborations for over 2 decades now. But Joe, honestly, I'm really curious to know, how do the global universities collaborate?
In my experience, they're typically driven from the top. They're typically driven with very strong strategic leaderships.
A lot of people don't understand that there is some serious purchasing power when it comes to a certain segment of the population in India. It is just phenomenal what these opportunities are.
A thriving post-COVID world in India, with all the changes I've spoken about today, will not be sustainable without the investment and focused priorities in the education of India's rising generation.
I think for India in particular, there is opportunity in global education because of the the youth of the population as a demographic matter, and the consequent benefits and power of or impact of more education.
Transparency is brilliantly supported by technology. Technology is a wonderful ally of transparency. It can bring to the surface accurate, factual, evidence-based reporting about what is really going on.
It takes more than just one component to be the game changer. So a single technology in isolation usually cannot move things a lot.
Get into leadership for all the right reasons. What I saw was too many people get into leadership because of the seduction of the role, the power, and the money. And those right reasons are the balance between people and profits.
If you want to grow and if you want to crack the growth ceiling, you need to first build a strong management team. And many founders of companies, even companies that have been successful, fall into the trap of not building management teams. The second thing, which goes hand in hand with the first point I just made, is to rely more on systems and processes.
Within blue economy, the top focus area would be fisheries and aquaculture. Then renewable ocean energy, seaports and shipping, offshore hydrocarbons, marine biotechnology, and of course, tourism, and marine pollution.
At the end of the day, today, a legend has a positive meaning into a society, into a community, or worldwide, or whatever.
I think all tenureship for academics should be only on the basis of they participate in at least 1 year's, actual work occupation in every 5 years.
What, according to you, should be the agenda of the global think tank, given the current economic crisis and due to pandemic?
There is a very clear contrast in the advice that is being given by different people. And the debate is really about, should we prioritize looking after people?
Mm-hmm.
Pandemic affects people. Should we prioritize looking after people, or should we prioritize the economy?
The whole reason that Bitcoin came about, or blockchain technology came about, and the main reason is the decentralization.
What role can the Gandhian engineering play during the current pandemic situation?
The first tenet of Gandhi was that there is enough for everyone's need, but not for everyone's greed. The second part is that he said that science, the power of science, the benefit of science must reach the poorest of the poor.
Customer buying preferences have been shifting toward digital engagement over the past several years. From my own personal engagements with clients, I've noticed a few different things. I'd say first, they want an experience that's channel agnostic and consistent. So they want to be able to self-serve.
I think it's taken us a long time to learn those lessons of the damage that these big roads, channeling through our cities can cause.
US companies, they must, first of all, do their due diligence. Find the right partners.
In the end, the way we look at climate change, we look at it as an existential threat to people, to the environment, to other species. While we build up our renewable energy generation capabilities, we have to start reducing our dependence on fossil fuels.
I would put history and heritage first, because you have craftsmanship, you have jewels, you have the Maharaja, you have the story of beauty in your country.